Hi everyone, it's Sam from HandTied and so glad you can join me for another video. Today's video we're going to do a bouquet with red and purple tones and just a touch of pink. Can't help myself sometimes. So using lovely sprays, then we got some chrysanthemum spiders. And some lovely stock. I think stock's really nice just to give it a little bit of height on the sides. We'll be adding some roses, but I think towards the end we'll add some. Just playing with that purple and pink. Got some gorgeous LA lilies. Just gonna add some lovely red roses. Another spider. I think I just add one more stock and I think it's all nearly done. There's that one there. Lovely mixture, a little bit of pink, mainly reds and purples.